guys, welcome to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I got an awesome show in store for you tonight. I'm going to show you guys how to use automations when you're using your GarageBand on your Mac. Just to let you know like what automations are real quick. Automations are like they're places on your tracks or in your songs anywhere where you can turn up the volume or turn it down, like or pan things left and right. This is just a certain area. Example, like vocals. When you got a perfect vocal track down, but just a couple parts where you can't hear your words very well, like you trail off a little quiet. Instead of re-recording that part over and over again, trying to get it louder, you can just go in and just for that part where it gets quiet, turn that little part up. It's pretty awesome. And it makes your music sound professional instead of like a demo. And it's something you really want to learn. Once you've learned your recording program well enough, once you've learned the basic way it works, any program, recording program, then you want to learn your automations because they'll come easy after that. So without ado, let's get started. Ow! Yeah. All right, guys, go ahead and click on your GarageBand icon, and I'm going to be using a song I just got done recording the rhythm and guitar tracks for last night called "In the Worst Way." Now I like to record. I use a 6505 plus PV. I like to use that. I love the distortion and gain that comes with it. So I like to mic that with a Shure SM57 and record that, and it sounds great. But the only thing is when you're waiting to start a song, like right here, the song starts. Now right here is all this distortion, just where I'm holding the strings going until it starts. Now the way to get rid of that without doing it this way, because I've done this for 30 plus years and I did it wrong most of these years. So I used to just go and cut all these back like that and then just start it. But then you just have this sound, this wall that goes wham, and it doesn't sound right, and it actually sounds like you just went and pasted those on there like you did. And it sounds like a demo, not like a professional recording. So instead of doing that, you use automations to do that. And so anyways, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show you first off what this sounds like, okay? At the beginning, that hum. See what I'm talking about? That hum. We want to get rid of that sound. So we're going to go up to mix and hit show automations. Okay, and then what you do is you go down, here we go to the first track. Now let me make these a little bit easier to see. Okay, all right, here we go. So you're going to left click right here where the sound starts, and a dot will be there, and left click again right behind it with another dot. And then you can pull down this, that's the volume. Volume is down. It just shoots it up right at the right time. Believe me, this is how it works. So this is a professional way of doing this. So you can do this with each one, okay? And bam. Bam, okay. All right. And let me show you what it sounds like now. See? Awesome. That's exactly what that's what we're looking for. So basically that's how this works, how automations work, the volume anyways, for like fading in, so you can get rid of that unwanted sound. Now it works the same way with like vocals. When you're laying down a vocal track and it's too quiet at one spot, you can just those certain words, instead of re-recording that louder, you can go in and just turn up that certain spot, or you can go in and add reverb or a delay or an effect to that certain word, so it just, or the certain guitar bend, so you get wham, wham, just that spot. It's pretty awesome. That's how you get really easy, how to get professional sounding music easier. And so yeah, so basically it is more of a intermediate professional like thing to know with your recording DAWs, but they all work basically the same. So you should be able to do this on any other recording program. And now automations are really cool because that's not all they work for. You can use them for like panning left and panning right at just certain spots on your tracks or in your song, or to use an effect just at that spot on your certain vocals or instrument. Pretty neat. So and I'll have more videos showing how to use it more in depth at the bottom, a link at the bottom for those. And I have two channels, All Things GarageBand and then All Things Music 77X. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. Please check out the rest of my videos at All Things GarageBand or All Things Music 77X. All things GarageBand, I'll show you how to use GarageBand like from the beginning, like from start to finish. and also how to use it. Oops. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. I'll have more videos coming out showing you on. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned something. Yeah. So if you want to learn any more about GarageBand or learn how to use it, like how from like start to finish, um, on your iMac, iPad, or iPhone, just check out the rest of my videos at GarageBand, All Things GarageBand. And also, I have a All Things Music 77X where I'll teach you how to do all things music, from playing instruments to recording them to publishing them, or recording and publishing them and getting paid for it and all that stuff, and copywriting and all that stuff. So please check out that too. And if you like the music that's at the beginning or the end of this video, that's my music. Please check it out at Jeremy Haws. That's Haws. On the YouTube channel, I have some music videos there, but you can find my music on any platform, I believe. So check it out. All right. Leave some comments. I'd like to hear what you guys think. All right. Take it easy. Ow! See you on the flip side.